Good morning, genius. Let's talk about thoughts. So, we have these thoughts that are always coming up, right? And sometimes you hear people say that they just come out of nowhere. They just appear in consciousness. But what if they are old memories that are constantly evolving, because our memories, number one, are changing all the time. We change and manipulate 25% of our memories every year, and that compounds as you age, which means your past is constantly changing, because every time you grab anything from the past and you look at it, you change it. It's never the same. Just like Chinese whispers, every time you remember an old memory, you're not pulling back the original memory that you have had. No, you're recalling the last time you changed the memory. So it is constantly changing. More than 50% of your past isn't even the way you think it happened. So memories are changing, and then something in you is juggling these memories up as your thoughts. And the moment you assign some kind of a value to it, how do you do that? You dwell in it. You let it hurt you. Or you let it make you happy. The moment you start doing that, you're feeding it now, because you're giving it attention. And the moment you realize, on the flip side, that it has no value, and it's a waste of, it's useless. The moment you do that, you separate yourself from it. And the moment you separate yourself from it, it has no more energy left. It just dies away. It just floats away. And the more you do that, the more you'll empty your mind. And when you empty your mind, I talked about it in one of the videos, you have so much clarity that the higher self will flow right through you, and you'll say the right things. You'll be more articulate. You'll have more clarity. And when you have a communication, when you talk to people, you will give them the present moment attention that they are not used to. People don't know how to pay attention to something or someone with a completely clear, empty, blank mind. You're giving them the divine attention at this point. Best gift you can give another person. So what do we do with these thoughts? When you separate yourself and you realize what is coming up automatically, you can call it old recycled memories. It doesn't matter if you think they're just appearing in consciousness. But anything that appears without your permission, that you don't generate, let's consider that to be something useless. Okay, let's give it no value. Let's find it a nuisance in your life. And when you do that, you create separation. You become the observer of it, and it will slowly start to go away, and your brain will become more clearer and clearer as it becomes more and more empty. And then, now you can do magic, because now you can actively make thoughts of your desired outcomes, your desired future realities that you would like to experience. Because realities are coming to you no matter what. So either you choose them, or the quantum randomness will choose it for you, and it will most likely suck. Yes, there are good things that happen to people by chance. I don't like things happening in my life with chance. I want to make them happen. So when you now deliberately will have these thoughts that you will generate, when you do your visualizations, when you do your mind movies, mind mapping, however you bring clarity to your desires of what you want, and you once you're clear on your intention, and then you marry that with an elevated emotions, you are putting new information into your memory bank, and you are training your body, your subconscious mind, on about what it's going to be like to have that experience. And when your body understands, when you do this over and over again in meditations, your body becomes a map. Your body now knows, feels like that event has already occurred, because your body, your subconscious mind, cannot differentiate imagination from reality. You can, in meditations, have your inner world be more real than the outer world. It happens to me all the time. So I do have a very long meditation coming up again, almost 3 hour long one today, the center of a magnet, that I'll do with you guys. So be conscious, be awake, watch your thoughts, make new desires and memories and thoughts, and have that control over it. It will change your brain. It will make it so coherent. And when that happens, your brain will send beautiful signals to your heart. Your autonomic nervous system will get into the harmony. And that's how you heal yourself. That's how you have your desired outcomes in life come to you. Because outside world is a reflection of your inner world. And if the outside world is a mess, you're a mess. And it cannot change unless you change. You change your energy. You heal yourself, and you change your life around you. You start to impact people's lives around you in a beautiful way. You become the magnet that will pull people to you that are of the same frequency, and will repel people that you don't need. And those changes in life are beautiful. You chose this character that you're living in this world. You chose to be in this game. And we're learning the rules, we're practicing. And once you know this, become the process. Once you become the process, don't be thinking. All day, you should be watching your thoughts create that separation. You should be watching the emotions that are coming up. Use the words when you have a conversation with yourself. I'm not good enough to feel this negative emotion. Change. Say change out loud when you feel something you don't want to feel. When you think of something you don't want to think. And then you actively make thoughts and memories and visualizations of the life that you want. The version of you that has everything you want is out there in a form of wave. Give that attention. Collapse it into particle. And allow yourself, the sick self, the lack person that you have become, or the not so worthy feelings that you get. Allow that person to go back into the waveform, back from particle to wave. And as you do that with love, you are turning your past and you're turning the experiences that you have lived into wisdom by disconnecting the bonds from it, so you're not getting hurt by it. And then you give your energy to the desired future, desired manifestations, desired visualizations, desired elevated emotions, desired thoughts, from a place of pure love, pure consciousness. Enjoy your day.